Giving a relaxing back massage can be a wonderful way to relieve tension and promote relaxation. Here's a step-by-step guide to performing a soothing back massage. Set the mood. Create a relaxing atmosphere by dimming the lights, playing soft music, and ensuring the room is comfortably warm. Positioning. Ask the person receiving the massage to lie face down on a comfortable surface, such as a massage table or bed. Provide them with a pillow under their chest and another under their ankles for support. Warm up. Begin by applying a small amount of massage oil or lotion onto your hands to warm it up. Rub your hands together to generate heat before starting the massage. Start with Effleurage. Effleurage is a technique involving long, smooth strokes that help to warm up the muscles and prepare them for deeper massage. Use both hands to gently glide over the person's back, applying even pressure from the base of the spine to the shoulders and back down. Move to Patrissage. Patrissage involves kneading and squeezing the muscles to release tension. Use your palms, fingers, and thumbs to knead the muscles along the person's spine and shoulders, applying moderate pressure. Focus on tension areas. Pay close attention to areas where the person carries tension, such as the shoulders, lower back, and neck. Use your fingertips to apply circular motions and targeted pressure to release knots and tightness. Incorporate trigger point therapy. If you encounter particularly tight or sore spots, you can apply pressure to trigger points to help release tension. Use your fingertips or thumbs to apply firm pressure to these points for several seconds before releasing. Finish with Effleurage. Once you've addressed any tension areas, finish the massage with another round of Effleurage strokes to help soothe the muscles and promote relaxation. Encourage deep breathing. Throughout the massage, encourage the person receiving the massage to take slow, deep breaths. Deep breathing can help enhance relaxation and release tension further. Check in. Periodically check in with the person receiving the massage to ensure they're comfortable and adjust your technique as needed. End on a gentle note. As you finish the massage, gradually decrease pressure and end with gentle, light strokes to help the person transition back to a state of alertness. Remember to communicate with the person receiving the massage to ensure they're comfortable, and don't hesitate to adjust your technique based on their feedback. Enjoy the process of providing relaxation and relief through your massage.